Good day, children. Welcome back to my online classes. Today, I wanted to teach you summarization, which is just opposite to the topic we have learned for note making. Let us see. Summarization, it is also known as abstraction. Here, you have to write a paragraph summarizing the passage using the points listed in the notes as a guide. Children, already we have learnt about note making. What is note making? It's a process in which we have to make the short notes which is required for making our task easier. In that, we have made the notes point-wise, point under the points, and they are not complete sentences, they are the phrases. But in this particular summarization, we have to make here what it is written using the points listed in the notes. You have to make or form the complete sentence, and summary means only one paragraph will be there. There will be no separate points, no separate lines, all will be together. So, using the points listed in the notes as a guide. Then, children, complete and grammatically correct sentences must be used. They should be logically and cohesively linked and using suitable linking words. Now, here you see, as I instructed, that we have to use the points written in the notes, in the note making. Those lines are not complete sentences, they are only phrases. So, first of all, we have to construct them in complete sentence. Then, all those sentences must be made in one paragraph. That means we have to connect those sentences with the help of connectors. That means the conjunctions like and, but, or, but also, like that. And it should be grammatically correct. And in note making, as we have seen, children, that we are using abbreviations or the symbols, but in this no such usage is there. There should not be any abbreviation or the usage of the symbols. They are not at all allowed. Usually the summary should be about 80 words unless otherwise mentioned in the question. Maximum time, it has been seen that the question which are put up, maximum they use to instruct that we have to summarize the passage in 80 words. If suppose not, then it is mentioned, otherwise you can make the 1/3 words of that particular paragraph. Generally what we have seen, suppose a passage contains 2 paragraphs, then also suppose sometimes it happens and we make summary of each paragraph. It's not like that, okay? We have to make only one summary. Some of the points which we have to take care, children, that is, these are the points to be kept in mind. First, summary is made out of the notes, not the passage. That means the notes which we will be making from the passage, that you have to note. No point should be mentioned in the summary which is not included in the notes. That means extra thing you could not be able to write other than the phrases you have used in the notes. Do not divide the summary into different paragraphs. Already I have said, children, that summary means only one paragraph. The summary should be attempted immediately after the note making is completed. Actually, this is the group only. This is a way of writing. Only one question comes, that means one paragraph will be given. In that you have to write note making also, and that notes should be used for making the summary. When I will give you the example of this both, then you will understand. First of all, I will be giving the example of only summary writing. Then I will give you the PDF either through WhatsApp or through YouTube. You will be getting the example, so you will be able to understand. Do not start the summary like the passage talks about. Try to follow the order of the notes as far as possible. Do not exceed the word limit given in the question. As it is always said, always instructed that we should not exceed. That means we should not write more than the words which you have to write. Sometimes it is seen that it is written 80 words. We are writing 100, 200, 150, 125 like that. What we are thinking that more writing, more marks. It's not like that. Everything has a rule. Everything is given for particular utilization is there for each and every rule, isn't it, children? So, what's the utilization of the summarization? That you have to, for example, you are studying one full topic, one full chapter. It's not possible to remember each and everything. So what we used to do, we used to say the sarangs or the summary of that particular. For example, when we see any movie or any of the things happen nearby us which had taken lot of hours, we used to tell it within 10 to 15 minutes. That is the what we are saying, the summary of that particular event, isn't it? So what it is we are saying, and this one we have to show in our writing. So children, it's like that only. We should not get confused what is summarization and what is note making. It is mostly there is difference. In note making we are using phrases, in and summarization we are using the sentences, like that. So read the rules properly, keep it in mind and follow by writing the answers. Thank you children. Hope you have understood.